Moodle is Monash University's online teaching and learning space. You can access information, ask questions, collaborate with other students, or submit assessments through Moodle. To get to the Pharmaceutical Science Moodle sites, go to My Monash and find the Moodle tile. Clicking the Moodle tile will open the Moodle dashboard with links to the units that you are enrolled in. You can also use the navigation pane on the left to find your units. The timeline feature shows you some of the upcoming activities in your units. Click on one of the links to get to a unit Moodle site. There are a number of ways to navigate the PharmSci Moodle sites. The easiest way is the navigation banner at the top, which links to the different sections on the page. The unit overview, with information on the unit content and teaching staff, the unit schedule, the assessment overview, the learning topics, the forums, and other links. Other options are the navigation pane on the left, or simply scrolling through the page and clicking on the section that you are interested in. Some units also have activities blocks on the right-hand side, which allow you to jump directly to particular activities, for example, assignments or other resources. At the top of the page, you see the Welcome banner. It has two buttons. The first button will take you to material that introduces you to the campus, to university life and study resources. That material is located on the Pharmaceutical Science course page called PharmSci Hub. The other button will take you to the Week 1 study materials of this unit. You are now in Topic 1, which includes the online week. You may need to scroll to see the content. The How to Study in Week 1 table will help you navigate through the Week 1 content and activities with links and suggested timings. Scrolling further down, you will see the other usual features of topics, which include learning outcomes, discovery materials, these are online preparation materials, interactive lecture materials, as well as workshop and laboratory materials. Note that some units have combined all of the workshop or lab materials in a separate section, which you can access via the Learning Materials link at the top. At the very top of the page, you'll find links to the unit guides, to Moodle help, other items, and to the person icon, which will open a menu that allows you to go to the dashboard, access your user profile on Moodle and your preferences, and also your grades. Any questions? Post a question on the discussion forum or go to Moodle Help.